This is the comprehensive bone model. First, we'll orient ourselves. The periosteum, number 14, is on the outside portion of the bone. The spongy bone is near the medullary cavity on the inside of the bone. We're looking at a wedge-shaped portion of long bone. We'll look at number 12, compact bone, looking how its various parts are arranged. The functional unit of bone, number 8, is the osteon or Haversian system, many of which are shown. We'll look at the different parts of the functional unit of the compact bone, the osteon, beginning with number 3, the central or Haversian canal, showing an artery. The canal brings blood, nerves, and lymphatics to the living tissue of bone, the osteocytes, which we'll see in a moment. The osteon consists of concentric circles called concentric lamellae, which we'll see in different areas. The osteocytes are found in little cavities, the lacunae, number 5, which again can be seen throughout the compact bone. For simplicity's sake, empty. When compact bone is alive, they'll be filled with cells. Let's look at the cells that reside in the small cavities, the lacunae. Number 7, the osteocytes. Radiating from these cells are little canals. Number 4, the canaliculi, which are radiating from the osteocytes. These allow for communication between osteocytes and the central canal. These can also be seen in another part of this model. Filling out the spaces where osteons are not found are interstitial lamellae, number 6, again seen in various portions of the model. Labeled only in these two areas but seen throughout. These interstitial lamellae, which fill in the spaces where no osteons are found, are the remnants of osteons that have been built over. We can see again the osteocyte, number 7, shown on an osteon that's been shown raised up with concentric lamellae removed. And get a better look at number 4, the canaliculi, which radiate out from the osteocyte. Again, another osteon has been raised with concentric lamellae removed. Number 10, showing us how the bone is arranged, allowing it to have greater strength. We can also see number 9, the circumferential lamellae, which completely encircle the outer portion of the long bone. A few of these circumferential lamellae, number 9, have been extended for clarity. Number 12, the compact bone, consists of calcium phosphate matrix, which is the hardest matrix of all the connective tissues. In this longitudinal section of the compact bone, various structures can be seen. Number 14, the outer connective membrane covering the bone, the periosteum. Number 11, the Sharp-Ease fibers that project into the bone. The periosteum, number 14, allows blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves into the bone. Number 13, the periosteal blood vessel, is found inside the Volkmann's or perforating canal, which is transverse to the central canal, seen here filled with a blood vessel. The Volkmann's canals are seen throughout the interior of the compact bone. We can also see number 7 osteocytes inside of lacunae in this longitudinal section. We'll now look at the inner portion of the long bone to see various structures that are found in that space or cavity on the inner part of the long bone. The inner portion of long bone is filled with bone as well, but a different kind of bone, the spongy bone, which are made up of trabeculae of bone, or bars of bone, a lattice work of bone. You can see the spaces that are found in this kind of bone. These spaces are filled with some kind of marrow, either yellow or red marrow. The inner medullary cavity is covered in a membrane, number 16, the endosteum. Lastly, we see number 2, a blood vessel inside of the medullary cavity.